developing and discovering their talent. So in doing that, they have something better to do than messing around, doing so many things that it will, instead of taking them to another level, it will bring them down or maybe lead to their death or something. So that's what the organization is all about. And we are intermediating between the countries who are having problem of maybe having problem of all this civil war and whatever. We try to go to those countries to offer them our own advice on how to rule the government, because a lot of people, politicians in Nigeria, they go into the politics not because they want to impart something into the country or into the community back or into the people, because people vote for you to be in there. You don't just jump from, you are not the only person in the community, but somebody vote for you to be there. So some of them go because they want to get money or they want to make money or this kind of that. So we try to discourage all that. In that kind of thing, every government should discourage people who doesn't have a vision. Their own idea is, let me just go and make a name, make money, and just be into the politics. There is a lot of money. Because you can imagine somebody will just sit down and say, wow, this is doing very good. She's a council member. I want to go and join this council. How do I do to start contesting from there?